Good night, Fahim. I am your bot. My name is Ebert. I am here to help you.
Hello.
Hey.
Play music. Open camera. Open Chrome browser. Tell me time.
22 hours 33 minutes and 9 seconds.
Who is Newton?
Sir Isaac Newton, the 25th of December 1642 to the 20th of March 1726 27th, was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, theologian, and author, described in his time as a natural philosopher, who is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all time and as a key figure in the scientific revolution.
Who create you?
Fahim create me.
Search Albert Einstein in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. The Einstein family is the family of the renowned physicist Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955.
Tell me a joke.
What is a vampire's favorite fruit? A nectarine, from a great co-worker.
Play rock, paper, scissors.
Say rock or paper or scissor.
Paper.
Computer chose paper. It is a tie.
Rock.
Say rock or paper or scissor.
Scissor.
Computer chose rock. Sad you lose.
Exit.
Program shut down. Good night, Fahim. I am your bot. My name is Ebert. I am here to help you.
Find Android Studio in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment (IDE) for Google's Android operating system, built on JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA software and designed specifically for Android development.
What is AI?
Sorry, I cannot found that.
Why? What is artificial intelligence?
Explainable AI. XAI refers to methods and techniques in the application of artificial intelligence, such that the results of the solution can be understood by humans.
Tell me a joke.
What do you call a man with his big toe above his shin? Tony.
Open YouTube. Okay, bye. And stop.
Program shut down.